Hi there, my lovely people. I'm Freya and I am professional illustrator and have been teaching Procreate online classes for over 5 years now. Can you believe I have taught over 50,000 students from all over the world? It's pretty incredible and I am really grateful for all the support that allows me to do what I love. I've been getting tons of requests on our Instagram, ads, and especially in our amazing Facebook group, asking for a course on drawing backgrounds and landscapes. You know what? I hear you loud and clear, and I am here to make it happen. I am really excited to launch one of our most requested courses, and I can't wait to introduce you to the landscape oil painting in Procreate. First of all, I totally get that feeling when you come across stunning landscape and just want to capture it on canvas. But then you sit down with your iPad and it all hits you at once, like so many details, so many angles and elements to consider. And I know that it can be quite intimidating, right? I know a lot of you are eager to dive into landscape painting without all the usual stress that comes with it. Well, the good news is that my team and I have unlocked the secrets of landscape painting. In this course, you will learn how to create beautiful digital oil landscapes in Procreate with simple step-by-step instructions. You will be able to produce gorgeous, dreamy images that resemble traditional oil paintings, minus the mess and cleanup. We have taken years of landscape painting know-how and broken it down into easy-to-follow steps. We will kick things off with some simple exercises to boost your confidence, and then we will progress to crafting complete scenes that you will be excited to share with your friends and family. In this course, I'm going to show you how to simplify any scene into easy-to-follow steps, build depth and perspective by layering, tackle challenging elements like clouds, mountains, water, and distant trees, get a good grasp of light and shadow without diving too deep into the technical stuff. Add those finishing touches that really make your work pop. And once you learn to break down a scene into its core components, you learn to understand how light and atmosphere influence the color, and you learn to direct viewers' gaze. And you know what? After that, everything will just click into place. All you need is just 40 minutes to 1 hour of daily practice. You will master landscape painting in less than 3 weeks. In the landscape oil painting course on Procreate, you will explore 5 modules and 27 lessons, giving you over 12 hours of detailed video content. This includes some introductory lessons, practice exercises, and 3 impressive art projects. So let me walk you through them. In the first module, you will get an overview of the course, you will join our private Facebook group for students, and access to resource files. These include brush sets, swatches, images, and my original Procreate file for 3 painting projects to help you learn. The Module 2 contains artist-grade oil brush set introduction, landscape painting theory, and practice exercises. We are going to start with some prep work before jumping into the main artworks. So in Module 2, we will familiarize ourselves with the Freya oil painting brush set and learn some essential landscape theory. And this will give you a strong foundation that's super helpful for any landscape painting. Plus, you will get to do some quick practice exercises where you will paint elements like grass, flowers, bushes, and trees to get ready to your first project. Once you are ready, we will dive into our main painting exercises. There are 3 artworks in this course that will help you naturally develop and refine your skills. Each project is crafted to demystify landscape painting, making it feel like a breeze. Now let's move on to Module 3. Exercise number 1. A Seaside Paradise. Introduction to Composition and Detailing. This section is divided into 7 videos lessons. The first exercise is all about creating a dreamy coastal scene. You will be painting a cliff that overlooks the ocean with a vibrant meadow full of colorful flowers in the foreground and the background. We will add a touch of magic with a rainbow and explore how to layer colors for more texture and depth. This is where the fun really begins with the composition and detailing. It is a great starting point because it strikes a nice balance between being easy but a bit challenging. Now let's check out the module number 4. Exercise 2, a picturesque mountain lake view. Mastering perspective and reflection. This exercise is divided into 6 video lessons, and you will be capturing the serene beauty of mountains mirrored in a crystal clear lake and all framed by a green forest. You will throw in some mist to set that early morning scenes while you play around with different perspectives and reflections. It's all about getting those angles just right and create that stunning mirror effect. It will give off a cool, calming feeling, capturing the wetness of the forest by the lake. And finally, we will get to the last section, Module 5. Exercise number 3, an autumn sunrise in the forest. Shadows, lights, and vibrant colors. In this tutorial, we will paint in the warmth of an autumn sunrise as it bathes the forest in stunning reds and oranges. You will discover how to divide a landscape into the background, middle ground, and foreground, plus how to use light and shadows to make it pop and create a balanced piece. We will also dive into some color tricks that will bring life to the whole scene. I really promise you that by the end of these exercises, you will create 3 gorgeous landscapes that turn heads and provide you with skills you can use in any art form. These 3 art projects are perfect for honing your digital oil painting skills, and having the right tools can really make a difference while you are learning. And this course comes with a brand new brush set for oil painting in Procreate. The Freya.art landscape process is organized into 6 categories: canvas texture brushes, fuzzy oil brushes, grass brushes, and various traditional painting brushes like flat and sharp tip brushes. Plus, rough textured brushes and leaf brushes are included. You will get to experiment with these brushes during the exercises, and they will be perfect for your upcoming projects too. This course will cover everything like lessons, exercises, and tools, but still, your art experience really gets a boost when you have support and feedback from your peers throughout the process. I truly believe that having a community where you can share your passion and love for digital art can be very, very useful and empowering. So just like all my courses, when you sign up, you will unlock access to our exclusive community where you can showcase your work and receive helpful feedback. You can meet other artists like you can participate in fun painting challenges, you can draw inspiration from creations of artists. You also can ask questions and get support whenever you need it. Seriously, this is the ultimate spot for anyone passionate about digital art. Think of it as having your own squad. My team and our fantastic students and me, myself, we are all rooting for you. We are going to celebrate your achievements and we are going to help you tackle any bumps in the road. If you are not convinced yet, that's cool. That's totally fine. You have got 30 days to check out the course and see if it clicks for you. If it's not your thing, it is fine. I'll gladly refund you, including any credit card fees. No stress and no hard feelings, just the chance to learn at your own pace. Okay, I think I've got everything covered. And you know what? I have a tons of exciting things planned for you. And our main goal is to help you level up your skills. I could ramble about the benefits of this course like forever. But it won't matter unless you dive in and experience it for yourself, right? If you have registered and downloaded all the materials and are set to start, please meet me in our first lesson. I really can't wait to see you there. So guys, we have got plenty of fun things to do. So let's get started.